Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to fix BMW X1 sunroof. Start by disconnecting the battery and wearing gloves to avoid cuts while you remove the headliner trim. Inspect visible tracks for debris and check drain tubes for clogs. Test the sunroof, switch, and motor with a multimeter to identify electrical faults. Note any broken clips or bent rails so you can order replacements before reassembly and testing. Begin diagnosis by cycling the sunroof while someone listens for unusual sounds or grinding near the motor and tracks. Measure voltage at the switch and motor to confirm power is reaching components, then inspect the track for debris or rust that could impede movement. Verify drain tubes are clear so water does not pool and affect electronics. Finally, check glass alignment and seal condition. Minor misalignment often requires adjustment rather than replacement. Start repairs by gently removing trim to access the sunroof mechanism, keeping screws in order to prevent loss. Clean the tracks, remove any obstructions, and apply silicone lubricant to sliding points only to avoid attracting dirt. Replace damaged sliders, cables, or seals with compatible parts and realign the glass using adjustment screws until gaps are even. Reinstall the headliner, tighten fasteners to specified feel, reconnect the battery, and perform multiple cycles to confirm smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.